everyone. Good morning. How are you today? Miss hope all of you always be okay. Alright, we meet again with Miss Rino Venaria today. Today we will continue on our English lesson by this video. Alright, like usually, before we continue on our lesson or before we start our lesson, we pray. We pray by yourself at home. Alright, let's go. Alright, thank you. And then we continue on our lesson. Before we start our lesson today, Miss want to ask you about something. Who knows what is the day for today? Alright, good job. Today is Monday. And then what is the date for today? Today, 9th of November, 2020. Alright, today we will continue on our lesson. Okay, material today is taken from your student book, page 50 until 54, and then workbook, page 50 until 55. Right? For lesson today, we will discuss about some exercise in workbook, and then we will learn about story. We will read about story in student book. Alright. Okay. Now we start our lesson. Let's see. Alright. Here there are material mistaken from your student book, page 50. It is about the story. The title is Bad Apples, alright? And then like usually, we read. Okay, let's read first for you about the story Bad Apples. Apel yang busuk, right? Here are 2 apples for everyone. Look, I have a bad apple. Me too, so do I. What we can do? I have an idea. Come to the market with me. Apples, nice, sweet apples. Nah, kalian di rumah belajar membaca juga ya, biar semakin lancar. Okay, Miss repeats once again. Read the story. Here are 2 apples for everyone. Look, I have a bad apple. Me too. So do I. What can we do? I have an idea. Come to the market with me. Have a nice sweet apples. Nah, bisa diulang ya membacanya di rumah. Nah, di sini Miss ada tuliskan artinya. Oke, yuk kita perhatikan artinya. Nah, here are 2 apples for everyone. Ini ada 2 apples untuk kalian. Teman-temannya ada. Jadi satu orang itu dapat 2 apel dibagi si Flash ya. Oke, next. Look, I have a bad apple. Lihat, apel saya busuk. Kata siapa namanya ini? Thunder ya. Nah, terus kata si Misty, saya juga. Begitu juga dengan saya, atau saya juga, kata si Whisper, kan kata si Mistinya. Apel mereka semuanya busuk ya. Oke, setelah itu, what can we do? Apa yang bisa kita lakukan? Nah, terus si Misty bilang, I have an idea. Come to the market with me. Saya ada ide. Ayo ikut saya kembali ke pasar. Kembalilah mereka ke pasar ya. Menjumpai si bapak penjual apples itu. Terus si bapak bilang, apples nice, sweet apples. Apple yang bagus, apel yang manis. Kata bapaknya jualan ya. Nah, Okay. Now, let's remove the next page. Right. Lanjutannya ya. The man has a box with good apples and a box with bad apples. We know what we can do. A table, please. Here you go. Look, everybody. For bad apples, a box of good apples and a box of bad apples. Good job, children. Nah, Miss repeat once again ya cara bacanya. Kalian bisa diulangi ya di rumah ya. Dipelajari lagi cara membacanya. Alright, let's read it. The man has a box with good apples and a box with bad apples. We know what we can do. Each apple, please. Here you go. Look, everybody, four bad apples, a box of good apples, and a box of bad apples. Good job, children. Alright. Nah, yuk kita lihat apa sih artinya nih. Nah, the man has a box with a good apple and a box with bad apples. Nah, artinya laki-laki itu punya satu kotak apel yang bagus dan satu kotak apel yang busuk. Terus si Flash bilang, we know what can we do. Saya tahu apa yang harus kita lakukan. Nah, terus mereka pura-pura mereka coba mau membeli 8 apel lagi. Mereka bilang, 8 apple please, tolong Pak 8 apel, kami mau beli. Maksudnya gitu kan. Here you go, ini dianya atau ini dia apelnya, kata si bapak itu penjualnya. Terus si Flash langsung menumpahkan apelnya ya. Dia bilang, look everybody, semuanya lihat, dia bilang itu. 4 bad apples, ada 4 apel yang busuk. Terus a box of good apples and a box of bad apples. Ada satu kotak apel yang bagus dan satu kotak apel yang busuk. Good job, children. Kerja yang baik, anak-anak. Kerja yang bagus, maksudnya mereka itu mengungkapkan pekerjaan si bapak itu. Bapak itu bohong ya jualnya. Ada apel yang busuk sama apel yang bagus. Ketika orang mau membeli udah dicampurnya. Oke, nah tidak boleh begitu ya kita. Alright, let's remove the next slide. Yuk, kita lanjut ya. Oke, this slide is taken from your student book, page 51. Alright, look at the picture and circle the correct sentence. Nah, itu kita lihat gambarnya ada tulisan milk. Nah, kira-kira mereka mau kemana berdua? Kalimat yang sesuai yang mana? Look everybody, to for everyone, good job, atau come to the market with me. Right? Which one? The right sentence is this one. Alright. Miss lingkari ya. Oh ya, kalian lingkari dulu juga di rumah ya. Oke. Let's we continue on the next slide. This slide is taken from your student book, page 52. Look at this slide. What is needed for the cake? Read and check the boxes. Okay. Is it about how to make banana cake? Make some banana cake. Is it the procedure of banana cake? Number 1. Put some milk in a bowl. 2. Mix 2 bananas with the milk. 3. Put a cup of sugar and 2 cups of flour in the bowl. Number 4. Then put 4 big spoonfuls of butter and 2 eggs into the bowl. Start mixing. Then put the mixture in a cake pan. 5. Bake the cake in the oven for 1 hour. Enjoy it with your friends. Nah, di sini kita disuruh cek ya, kita centang apa yang diperlukan dalam membuat banana cake. Okay, let's we check our answer. Okay, for the first, put some milk, alright. And then number 3, mix 2 banana with the milk, banana. And then number 3, put a cup of sugar and 2 cup of flour into bowl, sugar and flour. And then what again? Okay, then butter, eggs. Alright, good. Okay, let's continue the next slide. Alright, let's continue on the next slide. This slide is taken from your student book page 53. Is it about listen and check the box? Nah, here we will listen the audio and then give checks in the box ya. Kita mendengarkan lalu centang kotak yang ada pada gambar tersebut based on our audio. Alright, let's we listen the audio.
Student's Book, page 53. 1. Listen and check the boxes.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm from New York. On Sundays, my sister Emma and I make breakfast. I have milk. My sister, my mom, and my dad have orange juice. My dad and I have sausages and eggs. My mom and my sister have eggs and toast. My mom, my sister, and I also have apples or mangoes. My father doesn't. He doesn't like fruit. He has some cheese.
Alright, Miss repeats once again.
Student's Book, page 53. 1. Listen and check the boxes.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm from New York. On Sundays, my sister Emma and I make breakfast. I have milk. My sister, my mom, and my dad have orange juice. My dad and I have sausages and eggs. My mom and my sister have eggs and toast. My mom, my sister, and I also have apples or mangoes. My father doesn't. He doesn't like fruit. He has some cheese.
Alright, we already done listen the audio and then let's we check your answer. Alright, number 1, who make breakfast on Sunday? Daniel and sister. Alright, good. And then number 2, who drinks milk for breakfast? Siapa yang minum susu? Okay, Dad. Alright. Is it right? Tadi dia katakan, Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm from New York. On Sunday, my sister Emma and I make breakfast. I have milk. My sister, and my mom. So, yang minum susu siapa? Si Danielnya. Right, good. And then number 3, who eats eggs and toast for breakfast? Siapa yang makan susu? Makan itu breakfastnya pakai susu sama toastnya itu siapa? My dad and I have sausages and eggs. Nah, jadi si Daniel dan papanya itu makan sosis dan telur. Terus my mom and my sister have eggs and toast. Jadi di sininya mom and sister. And then who doesn't like fruit? Siapa yang suka fruit. My father doesn't. Nah, dia bilang, he doesn't like fruit. Nah, berarti father-nya. Alright, good. Cek ya jawaban kalian, jika belum benar perbaiki ya. Dan dikerjakan di buku workbook. I'm sorry, not workbook, student booknya. Alright, let's remove the next slide. Okay, this line is taken from your student book, page 54. Bacteria and food. Bacteria ini adalah bakteri dan makanan. Nah, listen, read, and number the pictures. Nah ya, di sini Miss jelaskan dulu ya. Nanti baru kita mendengarkan audio dan kalian tulis nomor di dalam kotak-kotaknya itu ya. Ditulis nomor based on audio. Alright. Let's Miss read first. Alright. Wait. Bacteria are not animals, but they are living things. You can see them because they are very, very small. There are lots of different bacteria. They have strange names. Here are some bacteria. Nah, bakteria itu bukan hewan atau ya bukan hewan ya, terus tetapi mereka benda hidup. Mereka tidak bisa kita lihat karena mereka very, very small, sangat kecil. Kalau mau lihat kita pakai alat itu ya, baru bisa terlihat. There are lots of different bacteria. Banyak sekali ya bakteria itu ya. Nah, they have strange name. Mereka mempunyai nama-nama yang aneh. Terus dia bilang berikut beberapa nama bakteria. Nah, yuk kita dengar bakteria yang disebutkannya itu yang mana saja. Ya. Oke. Alright, let's listen. Don't forget to write the number. Let's listen the audio.
Student's Book, page 54. 1. Listen, read, and number the pictures.
Bacteria are not animals, but they are living things. You can't see them because they are very, very small. There are lots of different bacteria. They have strange names. Here are some bacteria.
1.
Bacillus cereus,
2.
Shigella,
3.
Listeria monocytogenes,
4.
E. coli,
Right? Miss repeats once again.
Student's Book, page 54. 1. Listen, read, and number the pictures.
Bacteria are not animals, but they are living things. You can't see them because they are very, very small. There are lots of different bacteria. They have strange names. Here are some bacteria.
1.
Bacillus cereus,
2.
Shigella,
3.
Listeria monocytogenes,
4.
E. coli,
Alright, we already then listen the audio and then check your answer. Yuk kita dengarkan. Kita cek jawaban kalian. Number 1, Bacillus cereus katanya. Berarti here. And then number 2, Shigella. Alright, here. Number 3, Listeria monocyton. Ya, cytogenes ya yang ini. Number 3, and then number 4, E. coli yang ini. Nah, di sini ada beberapa jenis bakteri. Ya, kita belajar mengenai bakteri. Nah, Salah satunya ada beberapanya, contohnya ada 4 ini ya. Okay, let's remove the next slide. Here, mistaken from your student book, page 54, part 2, bagian 2-nya. Listen, read, and draw lines. Some bacteria are very dangerous. These bacteria can live in food and makes you sick. We don't want to eat these bacteria. We need to be careful with food. Nah, beberapa bakteri itu sangat berbahaya ya bagi tubuh kita. Nah, beberapa bakteri itu bisa hidup di dalam makanan kita dan bisa membuat kita sakit. Nah, kita tidak boleh memakan bakteri itu ya. Jadi makanya kita harus hati-hati dengan makanan. Harus cuci bersih dulu ya, baru dimakan atau baru disimpan di dalam kulkas. Oke. Nah, yuk kita dengar sekarang ya. Kita dengar audio lagi. Ini listen, read, and draw lines ya. Sambil didengar, sambil ditarik garis. Cocokkan antara kalimat ini dengan gambar yang ada di sini. Alright, let's listen.
Student's Book, page 54. 2. Listen, read, and draw lines.
Some bacteria are very dangerous. These bacteria can live in food and make us sick. We don't want to eat these bacteria. We need to be careful with food.
1.
Clean the kitchen.
2.
Keep different foods in different places before cooking.
3.
Cook meat so it's very hot.
4.
Wash fruit and vegetables.
5.
Wash and dry your hands before you cook.
6.
Keep food cold in the fridge.
Alright, Miss repeats once again.
Student's Book, page 54. 2. Listen, read, and draw lines.
Some bacteria are very dangerous. These bacteria can live in food and make us sick. We don't want to eat these bacteria. We need to be careful with food.
1.
Clean the kitchen.
2.
Keep different foods in different places before cooking.
3.
Cook meat so it's very hot.
4.
Wash fruit and vegetables.
5.
Wash and dry your hands before you cook.
6.
Keep food cold in the fridge.
Alright, we already done listen the audio. Now let's recheck our answer. Alright. Number 1, clean the kitchen. Yang mana? Yo, with the lines. Wait. Alright. Okay. Clean the kitchen here. Okay. And then number 2, keep the different foods in different place before cooking. Here kita bedakan ya tempatnya, ada tempatnya masing-masing. Cook meat so it's very hard. Nah, masak dagingnya itu sangat panas, maksudnya dimasak benar-benar ya sampai matang dianya. Oke, wash fruit and vegetables. Dicuci ya, cuci buah dan sayurnya. Here, alright. And then number 5, wash and dry your hands before you cook. Nah, cuci tangan, lalu keringkan. Cuci tangan, habis cuci tangan itu kita lap pakai kain lap, baru masak ya biar bersih. Alright, and then keep food cool in the fridge. Nah, disimpan di kulkas setelah dicuci. Okay, let's remove the next slide. Right. This slide is taken from your workbook page 50. Nah, di sini exercise-nya tentang ada hubungannya dengan cerita kita tadi. Nah, seperti biasa kita centang siapa yang mengatakannya based on audio. Yuk, kita dengar audionya.
Workbook, page 50. 1. Listen and check the box.
1.
What can we do?
2.
Apples! Nice, sweet apples!
3.
A box of good apples and a box of bad apples.
Right, Miss repeats once again.
Workbook, page 50. 1. Listen and check the box.
1.
What can we do?
2.
Apples! Nice, sweet apples!
3.
A box of good apples and a box of bad apples.
Alright, we already done listen the audio. Then we check our answer. Okay, number 1. What can we do? Siapa yang mengatakan itu? Misty. And then apple nice, sweet apples. Fruit sellernya, penjual buahnya ya. And then number 3. Apa yang dikatakannya? A box of good apples and a box of bad apples. Si tanda. Alright, let's continue the next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook page 50 part 2. Bagian 2-nya ya. Look at the story The 4 Hidden Worms. Nah, di mana saja kita ada temukan itu cacingnya yang tersembunyi di gambar berapa aja. Yang pertama ada di gambar number 1. Terus yang kedua, yuk coba lihat lagi student booknya yuk, ada di gambar nomor berapa itu? Number 4, and then number 7 and number 8. Alright, silakan dikerjakan di buku student booknya ya, ditulis ya. Alright, let's move the next slide. Let's remove the next slide. Alright, this slide is taken from your from your workbook page 50 part 3. Match the picture with the sentences. Alright. Nah, like an example seperti contohnya yang number 1 itu what can we do? Oke, di sini Miss tarik garis aja ya. Kalian bisa buat nomor yang ada di boxnya itu. Di sini Miss tarik garis ya. Number 1, what can we do? And then number 2 kira-kira apa ya? We know what we can. Nah, what we can do ya. Kami tahu apa yang harus kami lakukan. Tarik garis ke sini. And then number 3, good job. Sini ya. Okay, let's move the next slide. Right. Here, mistaken from your workbook page 51. Look and circle. Nah, ini kita perhatikan gambar yang mana yang benarnya, gambar yang benar. Yang number 1 benar tidak? Salah ya, dia mau mencelakai temannya. Is it not right? Ya, is it wrong? And then the right picture is, the best picture is number 2. So let us circle the picture. Yuk, kalian kerjakan di buku workbook kalian ya. Alright, let's remove the next slide. Alright. This slide mistaken from your workbook, page 51, part 2. Listen and follow, say the number. Nah, boleh kalian dengarkan dan sebutkan nomor. Ikuti nomor sesuai dengan audionya ya, seperti biasa. Yuk, nanti kita tarik garis. Wait a moment. Let's listen. Let's continue this line. This line mistaken from your workbook, page 53. Look and read, check, or put an X in the box. Di sini kita mau mencentang apabila gambar dengan kalimatnya sesuai atau match ya, cocok. Right? Let's check. Let's check. This is a pear. Ini, is it right or wrong? Right, alright, good. And then this is an orange. Ini benar atau tidak gambarnya buah jeruk atau jeruk lemon? Lemon, so it's mean, okay, kita put an X. This is some cake. Centang atau X? Centang ya. This is a bean. Wrong. Alright. And then this is an A. Right. And then this is tomato. Wrong. And then the last, this is some bread. Alright. Okay. Don't forget to write on your workbook. Let's remove the next slide. Okay. This line mistaken from your student book, from your workbook, page 54. Match the bacteria. Nah, di sini kita lihatnya dari yang student book kita halaman 54. Kita cocokkan kita cocokkan bakterianya yang mana ya. Kita lihat di student book kita. Okay, let's see. Alright. Yang mana yuk? Number 1 sudah ya. Number 1. Nih, Miss tebalkan ya. Kalian kerjakan di workbook kalian ya. Number 2. Number 2 yang mana number 2? Number 2 yang D. And then number 3 yang C. And then the last B. Alright, good. Okay, let's remove the next slide. Alright, this line mistaken from your workbook, page 54, part 2. Alright, find the circle the bacteria. Nah, yuk tugas kita apa? Mencari si bakteria ini di mana kita circlekan. Alright. The first here. And then here. Apa lagi? Di mana lagi? Here, right? Ayo cari yuk, di mana ada bakteri-bakterinya. Here, and then here. Ada lagi tidak? Oke, dah ya. Right? Oke. Jangan lupa di buku kalian juga dikerjakan. Oh, ini ketinggalan. I'm sorry. Gak kelihatan Miss ya. Here. Oke. Let's remove the next slide. Right, this slide is taken from your workbook page 55. Right. Nah, part 1, 2 lines to make sentence. Nah, kita disuruh menarik garis untuk membuat kalimat yang benar. Like usually, number 1, clean the kitchen. Oke, yang number 2, ini apa ini? Ini dia memasak ya gambarnya ya. Berarti cook meat until it's very hot. Alright, good. And then number 3, keep food in the, simpannya di mana? Di kulkas. Alright, in the fridge. Okay. And then number 4, wash fruit and vegetable. Good. Nah, jangan lupa dikerjakan di buku workbook-nya. Okay. Let's remove the next slide. Okay. This line is taken from your workbook page 55 part 2. Circle the things that are incorrect. Then draw line from your circle to the sentences. Nah, kita circle yang dia bilang incorrect itu yang tidak benar, yang salah, yang seharusnya tidak dilakukan. Ya, yang mana? Pertama, yang mana ya? Yang ini, ya. Dia tidak dicucinya, langsung dimasukkan. Oke. Dan kemudian ada lagi yang mana? Yang ini dia itu ya, nggak disusun per itemnya, nggak disusun misalnya fish sama fish, ikan sama ikan, buah sama buah, sayur sama sayur, tidak seperti yang di student book tadi ya, nggak rapi. Terus dapurnya berserakan sekali ya nih ya, kotor sekali. Nah nih, yang pertama kita tarik garis berarti clean the kitchen. Terus wash fruit ya, wash fruit and vegetables ya. I'm sorry nih, sini Miss tarik garis dulu. Terus wash and dry your hand. Nih dia langsung pegang aja, nggak dicuci-cucinya tangannya ya. Oke. Alright, ya Miss Tingina for meeting today. Nah, Miss pembelajaran kita hari ini udah selesai. Don't forget, please do on your workbook and student book. Jangan lupa dikerjakan di student book dan di workbook kalian. Kalau belum mengerti, boleh chat Miss via WA. Okay? Alright. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Ya, jangan lupa keep your health. Alright, keep healthy ya. Jaga kesehatannya. Don't forget to wash your hands. Alright. Okay. Thank you. See you. Bye.